para sa isang nag-iisang Lagunanay,
Congresswoman Ann Matibag.
Isang babae
na patuloy na nagpapakita
ng lakas,
tibay at
tatatag.
handog ang taus-pusong
pagbati, pasasalamat
at walang kapantay na pag-aaruga.
Sa bawat pamilyang San Pedronian.
Kami po'y bumabati sa inyo, Lagunanay Congresswoman Ann Matibag ng
Happy birthday, Congresswoman Ann Matibag. Happy birthday, Congresswoman Ann Matibag.
Birthday sis, Congresswoman Ann Matibag, sa iyong karawan ay sana maging maligaya ka at I hope na together with Melvin Matibag, you will always be happy. So, happy birthday sis.
Kong Ann, happy birthday! Si espesyal na araw na ito ng iyong buhay. Sana lahat ng wish at panalangin mo ay matupad at ipagpatuloy natin ang patuloy na paggawa ng mga programa para sa mga kababayan natin sa San Pedro. Muli, happy birthday! Ito si Governor Sol Aragones.
Hi Kong! Happy birthday sa nag-iisang Lagunanay, Congresswoman Ann Matibag. God bless you always, my dear sister, and we love you dearly.
Happy birthday to our beloved Congresswoman and President of Santa Club Laguna, Sis Kong Ann. May God bless you with good health, wisdom, and continued strength as you serve our community. Thank you for your inspiring leadership and dedication. We love you, love you, love you.
Happiest birthday to my beautiful Kong Ann. Thank you always for your light, for your kindness, for letting me be a part of your family's every milestone. You have saved me in ways more than you know. I wish you more blessings, more luck, more happiness, and more success on your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday to our dear Congresswoman Ann Matibag. Wishing you good health, happiness, and continued success as you serve the people. May your year ahead be blessed and meaningful.
Happy birthday, Kong Ann.
Hello, President Kong Ann. Happy birthday. You're so blessed, Kong Ann. So let's all be thankful for all your blessings. And you are such a blessing to many people. God bless you so much. Love you.
Happy birthday to a remarkable and extraordinary lady whose commitment and unwavering support to women and children changed lives. And you inspired us to believe in a leader with compassion and courage. Thank you for being the light and voice and the nanay to those who need you most. Cheers to more amazing years to come. Happy birthday, Kong Sis Ann. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kong Ann. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo para sa San Pedro. At bilang isang Lagunanay, alam ko na mahal mo kaming lahat dito. Kaya ang wish namin sa'yo, syempre, good health and lagi more blessings para sa'yo, para sa pamilya mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Saucy!
Happy birthday, Kong Ann!
Thank you for being such a good friend and my greatest supporter. May God bless you and your family with love, peace, and happiness. And we wish that this year will be your most fulfilling one yet. Love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,